Hello YouTube friends, welcome to the Red Parrot channel. I'm your host Mary Ellen. This is an episode of Junk Journal January hosted by @GetMessyArt and @MegJournals here on YouTube. Please look up their YouTube channels and also their website and Instagram accounts under roughly the same name for more information about Junk Journal January. Get Messy Arts also has some downloadable printables, digitals, and both of them have the prompt list. So this is not day 18 because we're still on day 17 and there is trouble. This is the trouble. So we used the high test glue and everything more or less comes apart. So where I sewed it sticks, where I didn't sew it doesn't stick. So we have to get rid of, did we tear her? Nope, we're good. So that's gonna be a sticker that's just gonna loop on there and there. So this does not take glue at all, which is kind of sad, but true. There's that crack. All right. I feel like this should have some heavier weight to it, but there we are. So I'm gonna get rid of that. That was also glued and you can see the glue just did not adhere at all. So I'm gonna have to, sad but true, throw that out. Oh, wait, I can't throw it out yet because I need the paper. So I have this, lucky enough, which is a bunch of, I think this is tie-dyed, to be perfectly honest with you, or some other kind of fun and funky dye. So we need to do some fixing. That's just what we're gonna do. There we are. And of course, I never have the things where I need them. Here. So I think this is 10. Okay, so we're gonna take 10 off, and I think, oh, yes, we could take that end off. Use it later, maybe. Yep. Okay. And what's the better end? $7.25. Wow. Sorry about that. There we are. So, where's my fold? Here's my fold. There. And that is going to go over like that. Wow, that is not a straight line. Straight fold, not a straight line. There we are, that's better. Okay, okay. So what do we want to do? Now I can just do like a page. But quite frankly, I want to reproduce that. So that's why I need this folded over somehow. So let's think about this for a bit. let's randomly continue tidying. So this is going to be that. Oops. Okay, and we will fix it in post. And here's the post for the fixing. Okay, because I have a frame in it. Oh, I could have used the, we're fine. Keep that. Here we are. Derpy up. Okay. So how is this gonna work? So I think what I need is another one of these. It's got to go in that way. And use that lip. And then washi tape the edges like I did the last one. Let's do it this way. I am delighted that I have this purple paper so readily available, which makes me think that my stash of, hey, let's go make some paper and then not know what to do with it is 100% what needs to be done. And I need, I think it's 1.25 inches off. We will check. Yep, like that. Like that. And I really want to keep that. So that is hysterically, somebody doesn't know how to rule. I'm not casting any aspersions to myself, but that person might be me. You know what? Here's what we're gonna do. there, and then that is going to go like that, I think. Yes, and I don't think I really care that there is that amount of a bottom. I don't. Oh, I should have cut that. Oh well. Didn't get the corner. There we are. Good job. Good job. There we are. I need this. Oh, that was not as big as I wanted it, but it will have to do for now, for the nows. Here we are. Yep, and she is going to be totes over there. Here we are. Now then, I'm going to use this glue again. If I can get it open. Here we are. So what do I want to do first? I want to, oof, oh, careful. Ah, goodness sakes. Make sure that I don't do that little end. I would love to know if art glitter glue glues that paper, because I think it repels it purely for the because it was built to. It was built to resist adhesion from a baking standpoint. Okay, that should be enough. There, good job, good job, good job. And hair plunking over here, also good job. And then we are going to do this side. Which is super crunchy now, because that's like the third layer of that glue. But we can cope. Here we are. And I feel like the last time I did this, feels like it needs more. Sometimes more is just more, though. It goes that way. Oh, did I get her hair? Oh, you never got her hair. Sure. Makes no sense whatsoever. That's totes okay. There. Okay, so we are back where we started. And we can bid a fond farewell for sure now with that. And I think what might be fun is to use that. Just as is. Just as is. Because I really like these. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. And then I have to figure out what today's is. Oh, I know what I wanted to do. I wanted frames. I might have to do some of that offline. Ooh, mayday. Where's the line? There's the line. Oh, it's so nice and thin. There we are. Oh, did I just cover up that gold? That I spent so much time. I spent all that time trying to save it and I just covered it. Oh well, there we are. So there we are. And we put a nice journal card. It fits in the pocket. And then today is going to be frame of some kind. So that is my catch up for yesterday. And I need to think about frames because I think today's is borders. And yeah, I think I want to do something. I'm not sure what yet though. Anyways, that is all for now. I will see you shortly. Bye now.